Hello and welcome everyone. I would request our tractor Siddhi to please call the meeting to order.
A meeting is called to order.
Followed by national anthem and four-way test. Siddhi, can you please play the audio? Thank you. I request everyone to repeat the four-way test after me. Of all the things we think, say or do,
Of all the things we think say or do,
is it the truth?
is it the truth?
Is it fair to all concerned? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Am I just a quick check? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Ashwini.
Okay, thank you. So I am Protractor Ashwini and I would like to invite you all to our flagship event which is Manthan. On behalf of entire Rotract Club of Pune Shaniwar Vada, I would like to welcome our dear council members who have joined with us, our club members, all the participants, their family and friends, all the Rotractors and all the non-Rotractors. We cordially invite you to our flagship event. So beginning with Manthan, so I'll just like to give you a brief about what is Manthan and why are we doing this event within our club. So Manthan has been a flagship project which has been executed by Rotract Club of Pune Shaniwar Vada for many years now. The project focuses on developing individual personality and growth. So far we have conducted debates, mock parliaments, MUN, drawing competitions and various such events under the banner of Manthan. So to brief you about what this year's Manthan is going to be, I would request our President, Protractor Siddhi Shinde, to please give her opening remarks and guidelines for today's event.
Thank
Siddhi?
you so much, Ashwini. I would just like to confirm, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, you're audible.
My voice is not getting echoed, right?
No.
Okay. So I would firstly like to welcome you all in today's platform, which is our flagship event of Rotract Club of Pune Shaniwar Vada. That is Manthan 2021, Making Difference Through Opportunities. Normally, as Ashwini conveyed about what Manthan used to be all these years, this year we are stepping a little bit differently as per our theme and taking a step ahead towards making a change in the current situation. As we are restricted to virtual based platform here, we took up this opportunity to make sure that businesses which have been shut down for a long time now due to the lockdown get a chance to be reopened and at least get started online, if not on real-time basis. So that is what we thought of this year, and definitely unlike every year, we all have also kept our registration fee this year, and the registration amount which will be collected through today's event, and in addition with what club will contribute, that would directly be donated to any fund relief for COVID. The exact place where we would be donating this is yet to be decided, and we'll be conveying that shortly to every one of you through our social media handles. But for now, I would like to welcome all the entrepreneurs here, and I hope your business reached places as we have promised. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rudractor Siddhi. We have with us our DRR nominee, Rudractor Akash Chikte. I request Akash to say a few words about our club and our event.
Hello everyone, I am Rudractor Akash and it's my honor to be at this platform. A sincere apology that I can't switch my video on, but I like to interact more over a audio channel right now. So I still remember attending a Manthan, 2 years back as one of the participant in that Manthan, being a debate competition at MIT, and then being as a audience at MUN, and then being here as something very different, because we all know this pandemic has brought us to a situation where events are turning into a virtual sessions, but Rotaract Club of Shenwara has not stopped and made sure that all the flagship events are being conducted at a larger scale, even though in this pandemic. Each of us chooses how to be best, use our talents and opportunity to make a difference. But through Rotaract, we are all united by a common principles and common objectives. A commitment to connect the world, and we know that we can do more together than we could ever hope to do alone. So let's work together and find new opportunities to make a sustainable impact for our world, our communities, and in the lives of others as one family and one Rotaract. I like to wish all the participants today who would be participating in this Manthan today, and I hope not only those who win, but all those who participate had contributed a major part for this society and the community altogether. So I wish everyone all the best. I wish Rotaract Club of Shenwara for the productive service they have been doing since years, and they will be doing for coming months too. So all the best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akash. Further, we have with us our Deputy DRR, Rudractor Drishti Singh. I would request Drishti to say a few words.
Thank you so much, Ashwini. Before I begin, am I audible and visible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. So, warm greetings to everyone watching this live. I am Rudractor Drishti Singh, Deputy DRR of District 3131. I would first like to thank Rotaract Club of Pune Shaniwarwada, its President Rudractor Siddhi and Secretary Rudractor Ashwini for inviting me to their flagship event Manthan 2021. I've always been a big fan in fact of Manthan since its inception. It used to be a debating competition, sometimes MUN and so on, until now, and indeed living up to their theme of this year, Think Differently. I'm astonished to see this brilliant idea of promoting businesses and expanding their network worldwide. We all know that networking is the least expensive yet most effective way of marketing one's venture, and you've probably heard this phrase a lot of times before: your network is your net worth. So it's obvious that networking has become much more than a buzzword. In fact, it's one of the most powerful tools that can make or break your career or even your venture. And in today's interconnected world, it has become more important than ever to maintain a strong network of business connections for you and your company. So get the most out of this opportunity and reap the best out of it. My gratitude towards the team Manthan for providing us with this platform, and Shaniwarwada has always come up with innovative ideas, and this is one of their flagship events, so it's bound to be a great success. So my best wishes to everybody who is a part of this new theme of Manthan, and in these uncertain times, well, I wish you good health and wealth both. Stay home, stay safe, get yourself vaccinated. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Drishti. I would also like to thank all the council members who have joined with us. Thank you guys for always supporting us with our events. So going forward with the agenda, I would like to invite our first participant for today, which is Vikas Institute of Educom. We have Srishti Vani from Vikas Institute. Can you say hi?
Hello.
Hi. Hi, Srishti. So yeah, all the very best to you, and you have all the time. Thank you. You can proceed.
Hello everyone. So I Rutracta Srishtivani from RC Roha Central, and I was representative Vikas Institute Edicom. So basically, our introduction is Vikas Institute Edicom has been influenced students in ranked districts 2012 and making them achieve excellence in engineering. Student of Institute has also been actively involved in volunteering in Rotract and participating various community development programs also. Next, please. So our background and is the process course will conducted for 3 to 4 hours. Document conduct and sessions plans are in following pages. We conduct boot camp in Tatkare and Nagogne College also. We get lectures in that college. Which next slide please. Yes, we benefits and highlights in boot camps and also in course. Our course is learning interact with civil designs and analysis to get to know AutoCAD, receiving an unparalleled education on the arts of buildings and designing civil structure as per as civil engineering MSBT syllabus. Our institute is also ISO certified institute, and we can also work in real life project for both mechanical and civil engineering. You can approach us for CAD designs for mechanical and civil engineering also. Next slide. Our target advance is students is career in designing. All engineering students from diploma, BE, BTech and MTech, civil engineering and architectural streams. Next slide. In AutoCAD VS fundamental, phase first is fundamental computer aided designing, phase 2 is CAD commands, phase 3 is introduction and dimension command, and phase 4 includes introduction to 3D dimensions views. It all include in MSBT syllabus. To all we teach that types of courses. Next. And we conduct nowadays lectures in online and offline both this type. We have Google Meet, which can conduct via mobile and laptop. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Srishti. That was lovely. You have great classes. Your institute is really interesting. So moving up, next up we have with us Mercy Massey. She is a baker. I would like to invite Mercy in the meeting. Mercy, we can't hear you. Can you just say hi?
Hello.
Yeah, hi Mercy.
Now?
Yes, you're audible. You can just give an introduction of yourself.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Mercy Massey, and I'm a baker. I have done my short diploma course from the Symbiosis School of culinary arts, and I am planning to take forward the skills that I have and serve people. So here's a short video about us and how we work. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mercy. Your cakes were really looking very nice. It would. I request everybody to please check out the page once. She had mentioned the ID in the flyer she had shared. I will also be sharing all the flyers on the handles and tagging them, so you can personally visit their pages there also. Thank you, Mercy. Is that it from your end, or you want to share something more?
No, that's it. That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Looking forward to bake for you all. So getting
Yeah.
on.
Sure. Yeah. You'll surely. I hope you get a lot of orders after we are finished done with your promotions. Like, because the cakes look lovely, and the
Yeah.
description you mentioned, that was also super lovely.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mercy. It was very nice having you. So coming up, next up we have with us a makeup artist. Her name is Trupti Wagh. She is specialist in pre-wedding makeup, wedding makeup, party makeup, or any type of makeup you want. So I would request Trupti to please give us introduction of herself.
Yes, hi, my name is Trupti Wagh and I am freelancer makeup artist. I have done my course from VLCC as a cosmetologist and makeup artist. We accept all the orders, pre-wedding makeup, bridal makeup, any pre-wedding shoots if you have, we accept the orders. You can have a look through my video. Thank you.
Thank you, Trupti. I can see your hand is very fine with makeup because I cannot do anything. So that was, I really loved all of your makeup, and I'm sure I'm looking forward to book you for any of the upcoming events.
Sure.
Is that from your end, or you have something else to share with us?
No, that's it.
Okay, thank you, Trupti.
Thank you.
So coming up, we have a very interesting business with us. I mean, I was very amazed by seeing this. I mean, it was actually a very interesting concept. I love this concept. So we have with us the Sunday Game Night. They are a party planning and entertainment services. So I would hand over to Hatim and Shreya to take away and explain like what you guys are up to.
Yes, thank you so much. Can you please share the presentation?
Awesome, cool. Hi everyone, I'm Shreya, and we have a friend called Mishri. So you can see her whole big family over there. She has this huge family, and they're all living in different parts of the world. कोई कोलकाता में रह रहा है, कोई दुबई में है, कोई एलए में है, या फिर कोई अपना दिल्ली या बैंगलोर में है. And she was coming to us and saying, bro, like we're those kind of families who spend at least one trip every year to bond with each other and just chill and relax and have some crazy family time. But because of the pandemic, we really haven't been able to. And honestly, like how many of us even do relate with that problem? Families, friends, cousins, koi bhi ho jaye, we haven't been able to connect with them, bond with them, especially for the ones who've been living all across the globe. Next slide. So,
Yeah.
and when the pandemic doesn't exist, we've also noticed that the families or friends who are coming together, what do we usually do? We usually just have some food together, we go out for dinner, watch a movie. But other than that, we actually found out that these families of friends, we're unable to have fun in interesting ways together. We don't know how to do this, which is exactly why we came up with the concept of Sunday game nights, which Hatim will explain a little more to you about.
Please go to the next slide. Hi guys, my name is Hatim and we are the founders of Sunday Game Nights. It's a Pune-based startup, and we deeply cared about this problem that families, they sometimes struggle to have fun in interesting ways, especially during the pandemic. So what we do is that we create a virtual space where we host a virtual party for 1.5 hours, create a customized theme around the interest of these groups, and we engage them in different games, different activities, different things where they can bond with each other just by making distance immaterial. Yes, please go on to the next slide.
Hello. Thank you. Okay. So what we do is we have like a proper system where we send you like personal invites. We make pretty cute graphics. We even call up people to invite them so that it's not a lot of stress for the person who's organizing. Next slide, please. One of the best parts of our game night is that we always have a live performance. Like, what is a party without some music, right? So we have our own we have musicians who help us out and come and play at our events. We also have like a proper structure of different games that we do, starting from maybe like minute to minute games or longer games for 30 to 35 minutes. And we, along with engaging people physically, we also focus on engaging them visually. So we create this entire experience around the whole game with interesting graphics, etc. Next slide, please. Thank you. You can probably see like a little bit of what we do over here. And the next slide will have a lot of our testimonials of we've done around 15 plus game nights so far, and it's not just families or friends or cousins that we have focused on. We've done a couple of birthday game nights. We've come up with a marketing solution for a corporate company and lots more.
So yeah, these are our testimonials that we've had. And can you please go on the last slide? So it doesn't matter if you have a friends group, a families group, if you have an occasion coming up, if you have a wedding event coming up, we can host you guys, we can connect all of you together, get you on a Zoom call and engage you with fun games and activities to increase your bond with your people. So yeah, thank you. Does anybody have any questions?
Oh, yes, I have one question actually. Do you guys take this game night online only, or you are open to a physical event as well? I mean, to take the games at the physical event.
So as of now, we are completely focused on doing it virtually. But as the lockdown is over, then we are going to start a physical event. So previously, before the lockdown, also we used to host physical house parties. We've hosted pool parties as well. But right now, we are completely focused only on virtual.
Oh, okay, sure, thank you.
What is the average time of each Sunday night?
Yeah. So first of all, it's not limited only to Sunday. It can happen any time of the week. It's just the name of the startup called Sunday Game Night. And yeah, we do it based on how much time we want to engage the group. So it usually happens from 1 to 1.5 hours.
Is there any limit to the number of people who can?
No limit. That is the advantage of doing it
Virtual.
You can add in, you can add in up to 100, 200, how many people you want. And it also saves your time to gather everyone, saves the time and money to book a place. It saves the time and money to order food. Here, all you have to do is just log in and have fun with your people.
जस्ट ट्रेकच करायचा आहे तुला माझा या कपड्यांमध्ये ते सुद्धा व्हेरी गुड.
Any last questions?
Yeah, just you organize in a group only, or you organize an event and random people can join?
So as of now, we are purely focused on doing groups, but slowly we are going to open our social game night event where we are going to open it to our crowd.
If the host can mute the other people because the voice is really breaking.
Yes.
Yes, I've given my contact details here. You can contact me on WhatsApp or give me a call if you guys would love to host a game night event for your family or for your group. And yeah, as of now, as I said, we are majorly focusing on hosting a particular group. But slowly we also are going to start a social game night where we are going to keep it open to people. They'll come and we are going to be engaging them with different games and activities.
Great, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you guys. Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you, Hatem and Shreya. Like, this was really a very different initiative and I loved it. So thank you for participating with us. We'll surely we are looking upon to collaborate with you in recent times. Thank you. So next up we have with us Shantanu Khilare. His business is Insight Media and Research. He is into advertising and marketing research.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Shantanu, you're audible.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Shantanu. Basically, I'm from the Market Research Organization. So our company name is Insight Media and Research. So we are a full research service market, research data collection agency and consultancy. Headquarters in Pune, Western India, where other offices are in control under our monitor. We do both qualitative and quantitative research across the India. Since our founding in 2013, Insight Media has innovatively built in the foundation through the continuous expansion in methods, business issues and the vertical expertise, technologies, then capabilities and insights. Over the years, we have earned the reputation for the depth of the field and analytic services and our ability to understand the deeper caterpillar physicals, culture and social issues that shape today's complex market. Apart from this active participation in each and every task, our expertise and consultancy is always available to each member of the organization. Insight Media and Research unbased comprehensive in-depth research and analysis, generating insight into customers and market behavior, We use various of techniques for qualitative and quantitative research and innovative technologies to understand the consumers and gain insight into their behavior. Inside Media and Research designs conduct consulting assignment to help our clients clarify situation, to help our clients be the leader. The core competency of the research is that it can help us, its clients, to completing their research requirement as well as in implementing the research finding also. We don't believe in just conventional research approach, but we have some innovative ideas which we offer to our clients. For example, we can combine two or more than two research to deliver maximum satisfaction. We have management and engineering professional as a key member of the research and analysis team. We don't believe in make our clients just satisfied, but we always try to make our clients delight. So this is our main motive, to make satisfied our clients. So currently we are having clients like Mahindra and Mahindra, then Fresh All app, and apart from this we are having Star Prava, which is very well known in these TV serials. And apart from this, automotive industry is also our clients. So anyone who are interested to do any kind of research or studies or advertising in any segment, they can also contact us. So our details is already given on this slide. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Shantanu. We have an announcement to make. I would request Retractor Siddhi to please. Just before that, do we have any questions for Shantanu?
No.
Okay. Thank you, Shantanu. It was lovely having you. Retractor Siddhi.
Okay. Sorry for getting delayed in changing the slides. Actually, the live Facebook thing is getting streamed, because of which I'm getting to hear every single word twice, which is why I'm getting a little bit confused whenever you say next to change the slide. So just be patient for a minute. I'm sure I'll be able to hear your next and I will change it accordingly.
Yeah. So moving forward, we have coming up next, we have Karishma Awari. She has a Regenix hair and skin clinic. She offers the latest and most advanced cosmetic hair and skin treatments. So giving to Karishma, can you say hello?
Thank you, Ashwini. Can you please share my slide there? PPT share करना.
I'm sorry, there is no PPT added on the drive.
There's okay, never mind. Will it be able to share, or shall I just continue?
You can continue with this. I don't have the PPT shared with me.
Okay, so hello everyone. I am Dr. Karishma. I am an aesthetic physician and a chief hair transplant surgeon at Regenix Hair and Skin Clinic. So we offer an array of treatments related to field of cosmetics solely, which includes hair fall treatment, hair transplant surgery, acne treatment, laser hair reduction, scar removal. There's permanent wrinkle reduction, Botox, fillers, lip plumping, or nose reshaping, chin reshaping, face sculpting. So anything and everything related to hair and skin cosmetics is what our clinic works into. Unfortunately, I had some before and after slides to show you all, but could not do that. But you can visit our page, Regenix Hair and Skin Clinic, on Instagram and see our before after stories over there. Usually what the treatment, all treatments are PRP, which you might, many of you might have heard. There is both therapy. Laser treatments which are actually effective, which give you a result of maybe if you are looking for hair fall reduction, it gives you a result in 3 to 4 months. If you are looking for hair regaining, it gives you a result in 6 to 8 months, depending on what your goals are. So when you visit to our clinic, our main motto is to understand what our patients' goals are. Usually they visit with a motive before a wedding or a function or anything related to their career placements or something. So that is something we look into. And then we decide the treatment protocol that is required for you all. And that would be it. Shall I, is it working?
Yeah, Karishma, we found your PPT. We are really sorry for the delay. You can proceed with slide if you want.
Okay, that's great. I'll just open the next slide. So yes, this is my brief intro. So this is a before photo of a hair transplant patient. We have done many, but I have just selected one patient from few of the treatments. This is the after six session photo of PRP. So PRP is the cheapest and one of the best treatment for hair fall. If you are in the initial stages, we suggest you PRP. Depending on what stage of hair fall and baldness you are, the treatment varies. So if you are in the initial stages, then PRP works best. If you are in the later stages, then we have to do even a combination treatments. Next slide. For hair transplant surgery, this is the example of a patient. Usually it takes 8 months to 1 year for results to show up after a hair transplant surgery. So this is before this surgery and after 8 months. For few patients, it's even a year. So we usually give a time period of 8 months to 1 year. Next. And yes, this is a transplant surgery in action. So usually there are some protocols to be followed for the surgery, which we inform the patient beforehand. There are very less side effects of the technique that we follow nowadays. The technique which used to be followed before, they had many side effects, but now it has been improved to a very great level, and there are very, very few and very rare side effects that comes into picture, and which are also manageable if reported at the right time. Next slide. We are also into laser hair reduction. So it's a common issue. Even in females, some males also look into beard reshaping. That is also done by laser hair reduction. This is a before photo of a patient who had hirsutism. It's called hirsutism when there is extra, more than normal hair growth near the chin or the facial region. Next slide. And then this was after 3 sessions, we have suggested her 4 sessions to continue with. But this is a recent photograph of after 3 sessions that we had a result for her. There's also treatment for acne. Treatment for acne is different. Next slide. It's different depending on the type of acne that the person is suffering with, and accordingly we suggest you the treatment for it. It takes 3 to 6 months, maybe more, maybe less, depending on your compliance also. So most of the treatment that we provide at the clinic, it depends on your compliance and our compliance. Next. This is a recent photograph of after the second session that we have done for her. Maybe you'll check it out on our Instagram page. What has happened after 2 or 3 months more. Next slide. Then there are skin resurfacing treatment. It's a combination of medical peels, lasers, etc. So this is a before patient who had pimples, scar, uneven skin tone, sun damage, and then the after was slightly there. This was the after. All the scars were almost vanished after 5 sessions. The patient also is still continuing the treatment because she wants some more evenness in the skin tone and might continue for the glutathione treatment. Yes, for coming to that, we also do glutathione skin whitening treatment, which is what happens in skin whitening and glutathione is you start with an IV treatment. That's it for the brief time that I had with you all. Here's a brief list of the treatments that we do in our clinic. So do let us, we'll be glad to help you all or help your friends or family that you can connect us. Thank you very much to the Rotary Club of Shaniwarwada and everyone present.
Karishma, do we have any questions for Karishma? Um, I guess everybody will reach out to you on your number given. Okay.
Thank
So,
you very much.
is that it from your end, or Karishma, you want to share anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Karishma. Coming up, we have with us Kedar Mitkari. He has his own KPM agency. He is into housekeeping, sales and services, hospitality, corporate, office, mall, hotels, houses, etc. Kedar will give more details about his work. Kedar, do we have you with us? Kedar? He was there in the meeting. I saw him. I guess he's currently not there in the meeting. Okay, so moving forward.
I'll just brief a bit about what KPM Agency is. KPM Agency has been owned by Mr. Kedar Mitkari. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So yeah, so as I said, KPM Agency has been owned by Mr. Kedar Mitkari. They serve in various areas, which as mentioned in their flyer is washing hygiene products, cleaning machines and tools, aroma and air fresheners, cleaning chemicals, housekeeping material. Apart from this, they also serve under various other products, which is customized products, and as per the requirement. I won't be able to brief you more about how customizable products they share, but the contact details for the same would be shared, and you can certainly get in touch with Mr. Kedar and he can help you more about his business. I have one more flyer with me, which overall sums up what the KPM Agency is all about. You can also check on their Instagram page, which we would link in our post when we'll be doing on Instagram and other social media handles. You'll get more information about what all the agency is about.
Okay, thank you, Siddhi. If we have Kedar with us, we'll be able to connect with him later, or possibly can contact him with the details given. Thank you, Siddhi. So coming up, we have with us Rohit Chande. He has his gym and fitness studio. Rohit, do we have you in the meeting?
Yeah, I'll be briefing about the same again. Just allow me a minute.
Okay, sure.
Okay, to talk about Vigor Fitness Studio, that is a studio based in NIPM. That's the latest branch which they have started recently, a couple of months ago. Vigor is something which has been established for 10 years so far and has various branches known by other names as well. One, which is the oldest branch, is in Swargate. The second one is placed near Kothurud, and this is the latest branch they have opened to ensure we all stay fit. However, more details about the same you would be able to get it from Mr. Rohit, and he can answer more of your queries. You can get in touch with him whenever possible on the details shared on our next post on social media about the business, and they can guide you.
Okay, thank you. I'm sure everybody is going to need a fitness trainer after this lockdown opens. So moving, thank you Rohit, thank you Siddhi for presenting on behalf of him. So moving ahead, we have Kaira into interior business, which is owned by Kritida Shinde. She's an interior designer and she completes site handling, consulting and material analysis. She's an expert in the interior business. Do we have Kritida in the call? Hello ma'am, I cannot hear you. Can you please repeat? Ma'am, you're muted. Can you please unmute? Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Okay, I have their slide with me. I'll go ahead and present it for them.
I guess she's not able to unmute herself.
I have the slide with me. I'll go ahead with it.
Okay, sure.
So, Kaira, that creates that interior business, and the owner of this business is Mrs. Kritida Shinde. She has been graduated about her degree from Pune itself, and she's been running this business for more than 10 to 12 years so far. She has created many houses and offices and designed them to the fullest so far. Here's the slide which we have with us. That's their interior concept, what all they would like to provide and what all ideas they would like to pitch into us. These are the trends recently which they are working on. Again, this is a little bit about how we can choose our color scheme for our room or our offices or projects. This is about the furniture facts they would like us to go ahead with. As the trends keep changing, this is how we can keep ourselves updated with the latest trend in interior. This is about all lighting, which plays a huge role, as now we are at home and we know how much we shoot on our phone, how much we post. So this is all about the light scheme and illumination at our places. The textures and patterns, actually this plays a huge role. We blindly go ahead and choose any kind of shape and style. However, a shape and style can also look our place a little bigger than the normal one, and also at the same time it can make us look a little smaller than the normal one as well. That again plays a huge role. This is about the budget. Obviously, when we talk about interior and making a change or giving a new look to our place or our office, budget is something we have to look or keep it in mind. So this is how they can help us with that as well, that we get what we want in our perfect budget. These are few solutions and categories under which Kyra works: end-to-end execution of residential and commercial projects, site visit, drawing and services, 3D view creations, material selection consultancy, drawing consultancy and services. So these are the facilities Kyra provides. And yes, you can reach out to Kyra by contacting Mrs. Kirtida Shinde on the following. They have their email ID shared, they have their own website, and they have their contact number shared as well. So for more details, if Mrs. Kirtida is joined right now and is able to answer, you can shoot your questions.
I think she's left the meeting. She's not there in the meeting.
Okay, no worries. Then you can keep us posted with your questions, and we'll certainly make sure that we send all of your questions to her and all the other businessmen as well who were not able to present it, so that they can get back to you personally with all the questions and queries.
Sure thing. If anyone has anything, they can put it in the chat box. We will note it down and make sure it reaches to the owner. I guess she's joining now.
Okay, you can ask questions then and then.
Oh, cool. I guess we have Kedar with us joined just now. Kedar, we just finished your presentation in the last slot itself. So is there anything you want to add? I think you can. Okay, so I guess there are nothing from Kedar's end as well, and no questions for Kritida. So moving forward, next up we have with us. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Kedar. Actually, I was just saying that we finished your slot just before this. So we showed the 2 flyers which you showcased us. But if you want to add anything from your end, you can just you have a minute with you. Okay, that is there anything from your end? You can put it in the chat box so that we can move forward. Okay. Well, you can reach out to Kedar through his number itself. I guess he's facing some issues. So moving forward, we have with us Ankita. She is a she has a business of food chocolate and cakes called as Choco Reveal. They provide dark chocolates and chocolate products to those who crave having a chocolate in hand. So I guess I would love to hear about this from Ankita. Ankita, hi, do we have you on the call?
Yeah. Am I visible and audible as well?
Yes, you are both visible and audible.
So before starting, a very good evening to the audience here. I would definitely say we'll be needing some people like at some point in life. So let's get it started. Can you please? So this is all about Choco Reverie, chocolate making venture, and we have assorted truffles, chocolates, and cake jars. So as we say that chocolate is the answer for every question, behind the scenes, can you stop here? So behind the scenes, I would definitely brief about this. Is we started making chocolates during festivities, and we were restricted to a very small area. Like we used to distribute this in the societies or to a very small region. But now we are booming it, and we are delivering this to in the district industry as well. So we have been delivering to Delhi, Gujarat, Kolhapur, Goa, Nasik, etc. Our products here has been showcased. We make chocolate bars, assorted truffles, cake jars and cupcakes. So what chocolate bars are? These are wholly assorted ones. The one you can see to the extreme left is the chocolate bars. To the topmost are those assorted truffles. And the below one is the the cupcake. Next. So white chocolate, as it has been said, that chocolate has many medicinal properties as well, and it is being proven that eating a chocolate when you are sad or it enhances your hormones and neurotransmitters as well. So having a chocolate when you're anxious is the best medicine you can say. Next. All the products are artisan made. Yes, we make it. All the products here are handmade. So, and these are customized also. So as we said, we are making assorted truffles and chocolate bars. So all these are artisan made. Next. So the main core team behind this venture is to the left is my mom, and to the right is my sister. So it's a family business, you can say. These are the pioneers and who pushed me to make everything, like build step by step to make this venture a successful one. Next. How to place an order is, this is the most important question. So what you can do is simply ping us on the number provided here, or you can simply WhatsApp us, or what you can do is you can Instagram or DM us on the Instagram. The handle is chocorevry_Pune. So it's CHOCOREVERIE_Pune. Then you can tell us what product you want, or how you want, or how customization you want in that as well. And the third thing is we will tell you to make an payment first or after delivery as well. And the last step is you have to just wait for your order and to get your product delivered. Next. This is all about my venture. So you can contact us on the Instagram page, that's chocorevry_Pune. Also the phone number and the email address is being provided. Thank you. Thank you to Rotractor Ashwini and Rotractor Siddhi, and of course to the Rotract District 3131, who has given us a platform to showcase and market our ventures and the products as well.
Thank you so much, Ankita. All of your products are looking really lovely. Are there any questions for Ankita? Like anything for her? Okay, Ankita. Thank you. Is there anything more to be added from your end, or is it done?
Yeah, if there are any questions, they can simply ping us on the number provided, or they can DM us on the Instagram ID.
Sure thing. Thank you so much, Ankita. It was lovely having your chocolates with us. Next up, we have a very creative business. It is Art Craft House, which is owned by Ashwini Sherke. They provide a wide range of handmade silk thread jewelries like bangles, thread bangles, silk thread, bridal bangles, and bangle set. So I would request Rotractor Ashwini to please give a brief about Art Craft House.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So, as Ashwini said,
I am Ashwini.
Yeah, as Ashwini said, it is next slide, please. as it is, we provide a wide range of handmade silk thread bangles, any jewelry, material, bridal bangles, kada bangles, but all are the silk thread. Okay, and you will get the raw material of the jewelry as well. So you can get you can order the customized order as well as per your requirements as well. Now, as a COVID-19 situation is going on, so we can you can order me and I can actually courier it to you. So you don't need to think कि कैसे मैं ये collect करूँगी and everything. So next slide, please. So there are few products which I have made for the customers, so you can just go through it. So Siddhi, I request you to go one after one. Next slide. Thanks. So next slide. Next slide. So this is all the customized order on the request of the customer.
Are these earrings also made from thread? The previous
Yes,
one
yes.
was thread?
Yes.
No, this one
Yes,
also?
yes. This one also is a silk thread.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So you can contact me for the orders.
Thank you, Ashwini. That was really creative and they were looking very lovely. Do we have any questions for her? Okay. So moving forward, we have a very tasty restaurant called as Al Madina Tasty Restaurant, owned by Irfana Kazi. This is a multi-cuisine food restaurant. Do we have Faizan or Irfana from the team with us?
So, Ashwini, I would be presenting this again.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so this is basically, as Ashwini said, a food restaurant, and unfortunately, this restaurant is not in Pune. It is based in Dubai, UAE. So, anytime you visit Dubai, do visit this restaurant, and you can check them on Instagram as well. The links would be shared on our next post on Instagram on Rotaract Club of Pune, Shalimar Wada. You can definitely reach out to them anytime you visit Dubai. Thank you.
Ordering from this is going to be quite expensive here for Pune girls. So moving forward, we have with us Aerotech IT Solutions, which is owned by Aniket Salunki. He provides hardware services, complete solution for IT infrastructure, desktop, laptops, printers, server sales, and many other services. So do we have Aniket with us so he can brief us more about his business? He's not present in the meeting. Is there any PPT which we can just show?
No, actually, there are few images he has shared. I try to sum up a bit about this. I am not aware much about this though, but I'll try my best. Okay, so Aerotech IT Solutions is a company based in Pune. This is a new company which has been started by Mr. Ankit Salunke, and they provide all kind of IT solutions. As you can see in the flyers, I have few more which is shared. So they also provide antivirus benefits and things you need for your computers. They also repair, they also sell, they also provide the solutions for any kind of issues you faced with your IT products, electronic products rather. these are few things they have mentioned, like what all they provide: on-site services, diagnosis of all problems, remote services, rental services for laptop, desktop, and other devices on monthly rental basis, installation and support, desktop, laptop printing, servicing and repairing, security setup and support like firewall, antiviruses, advice and implementation of cloud support like Office 365, provide network support including calving, jack panel, and IO termination. So for all kind of tech problems, IT problems with your electronics, you can reach out to Aerotech. They have their Instagram page, and the details would be shared on our post. Next, we'll tag them as well, so you can reach out to them directly. If Aniket is joined in or present in the meeting, you can shoot your questions or send them in the chat box, and we'll make sure he'll get back to you with the quiz or the answers to it.
Oh no, he's not there in the meeting.
Okay, so you can shoot your questions in the chat box. We'll make sure we get these questions to him, and he'll personally get back to you.
Okay, thank you. So coming up, we have a Smile and Glow Dental and Aesthetic Clinic owned by Dr. Rasika Daigude. It is a dental clinic with skin, hair, and laser treatments, known for painless and quick treatments. Do we have Dr. Rasika with us to explain further? Rasika, I can see you in the meeting. Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah, you were audible, Rasika. You can. So do you want us to play the video? You can put a yes in the chat box. Siddhi, can you please play the video?
Yeah.
Actually, the video is not audible, so this is not making. I cannot understand anything. Rasika, is it possible for you to please join in from some other network, or from some other ID, so you can speak with us?
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes. Hello. This is Dr. Rasika. My clinic is Smile and Glow Dental and Aesthetic Clinic. It is in Kothurud. So basically, we provide all the dental treatments such as cleaning, bleaching, implant, root canals, and everything. With also that, hair and skin treatments such as hair fall treatments, skin-related acne, dandruff kind of treatments. So basically, I wanted to start a clinic where the people who are conscious about their looks and personality, they'll have a one-stop solution. So where if they come here, they'll be the best version of their self. Hello?
Yes, Rasika, you're audible. You can go ahead.
Yeah. So we are. So we provide all kind of treatments. So if you have, so basically nowadays after post-COVID, there is disease called as mucormycosis or black fungus. People are very curious to know if all the COVID patients will suffer from that or no, or everything like that. So you should get your dental checkups routinely done, every year or post COVID, you must do it, is what my message for you all.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Jessica.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you have any flyer where we can, or was this just this video? Because
We
there's
have
some
a
issue.
flyer. I'll just display.
Yeah, I have already sent you a flyer.
Yeah. So can we please display that because the video is not audible?
Yeah.
Is it visible, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
So where is your clinic exactly?
So it is near MIT College in Kothur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions for Rasika? Oh. Okay, thank you, Rasika.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Next up, we have another baker with us. Her name is Anjali Bankar. The Cakery is a home bakery which provides you a delicious range of homemade cakes, cupcakes, chocolates, cookies, cakesicle, cake pops, and brownies. Do we have Anjali with us so she can show us some of her
Yes,
cakes?
hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Anjali. You can please go ahead with your.
Yes, sure. Hi everyone, I'm Anjali Bankar, the owner of the Cakery. I would like to share in short how the Cakery was started. I started baking as a hobby and it turned out so well. I started taking orders after doing some professional classes. It's been around a year and a half, I guess. I've been taking orders other than friends and family. Everything in Cakery we provide is from scratch and with no premix used. Everything is freshly baked, taken good care of hygiene, and all the products are up to date. The Cakery provides you with various range of options you can have, like whipped cream cake, cupcakes, customized cakes and cupcakes, then theme baked cakes, chocolates, cakesicles, cake pops, cookies, brownies, etc. The video has some photos that I have done till now. Can you please play the video? I've tried to cover as much as possible in this video. Still, for more details, you can visit my Instagram profile, The Cakery, and for anything like placing orders or more queries, you can contact me on the contact number given by Rotrack on my flyer. And lastly, I would like to thank Rotrack for giving this platform to promote our business. Thank you.
Anjali, I actually have one question for you. That
Yeah,
thing
sure.
with the hammer that is called that pinata or something, right?
Pinata cake, yeah.
So what is that thing? Is that everything edible, or what we just have to hit it with the hammer?
Yes. It's everything edible except the hammer.
And inside that there is a cake, separate cake, or it's just the covering and it is filled with something different?
It depends on the order. Like if you want cake, we provide cake. If you want the goodies, we you can use chocolates or even the gift. If you want to give someone, we can cover with the pinata and you can give it. It depends on the order. What you
Okay,
want.
so we can put anything inside, whatever we want.
Yeah, anything.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Anjali.
Yes, welcome.
Are there any other questions for Anjali? Okay, thank you, Anjali. Keep baking.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Up next we have Bhavesh Vira. He has his Ape business called as Ape Escape. Ape Escape is an Asian clothing brand. Their vision is to create an apparel that can be worn by both the genders. They started Ape Escape in late 2020 by keeping the street fashion in mind. The designed apparels will let you stand out from the crowd, and it's their promise. So do we have Bhavesh with us to show his amazing apparels?
Good evening. My name is Bhavesh Vira, founder of Ape Escape. We are here to break the. Hello.
I said hi, Bhavesh. You can continue.
Okay. We are here to break the gender norms in everyday fashion, and we believe that clothes shouldn't be gendered. When we were observing the clothing industry, we saw that apparel industries has long been shaped and categorized as menswear and women's wear. And we wanted to escape from this duality by giving the choice back to the consumer, and thus establish our first idea, an unisex clothing label, Ape Escape Clothing. Next slide, please. Talking about the brand, Ape Escape was founded in 2020, in the middle of Corona pandemic. Designs are highly inspired from Japanese streetwears. As a brand is completely unisex, it can be worn by anyone. Hence, it can be shared and your loved ones. By breaking the duality of genders in the design process, we are able to focus on what really matters to us: comfort, functionality, and durability above all else. Next slide, please. We want you to decide what you are comfortable wearing. Next slide. So, can you please play the video?
Just allow me a minute.
Well, these are some of the designs from our recent collection. You can check that out now on our official online store, apeescape.in. Well, if you have any suggestions, do let us know. Thank you.
Awesome. This is a really new initiative I've come across. I've never seen something like this. Hats off to anyone who got this idea and to start this venture. All the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Any questions for Bhavesh? Ape Escape? Okay, thank you. So moving up, we have Rucha Padye. She is the owner of the business called as Farago. Farago is all about jewelry, apparels, and handmaids. It is a homegrown lifestyle brand that focuses on bringing Indian handicrafts to the forefront. Rucha, do we have you with us?
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Rucha, you're audible.
Yeah, thank you, Ashwini. Hello, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Rotrack for giving us the opportunity to present and promote our brands online. Okay, so coming back to my brand information, my brand name is Farago, which means a collection of various products or a melange, basically. So I started with this venture 4 to 5 years ago. At that time, when I started with this, I had a clear vision that I would want as many products as I can sell on some online platform. So keeping that vision in my mind, I named my brand after that. So I'll give you one brief idea about the product range which I have. I have 4 to 5 different product lines. The first one is jewelry. So right from small minimalist jewelry to bridal jewelry, I have everything, like basic anklets, rings, necklaces, everything. Second is handmade products. So recently I've launched a few handmade products like organic soaps, scrubs, a few bookmarks, paper cooling earrings, and etc. Third product line which I have is of garments, which is I think the widest range which I have right now. So under garments, I have stoles, scarves, ready-made kurtis, palazzos, trousers, shorts, dress materials, saris, right from the cottons to the exclusive paithani ones as well. So I also take wedding orders as well. Just pointing out. Okay, and the fourth line is of lifestyle, under which I have recently launched curtains, bed sheets, cushion covers, etc. And after down the year, I'm planning to launch a few furniture items as well and crockery items as well. So these are all my products. Right now, I completely function and operate from home itself, and I have a page on Instagram named the Instagram handle is Farago_20, FARRAGO_20. And in case you want to contact or WhatsApp me, I have given my contact details in the flyer above. Also, apart from that, I welcome resellers as well. So if any of you are interested in reselling my products, you are more than welcome. You can just contact me or WhatsApp me as well. So recently, I have been doing a campaign under a zero waste campaign. So there are many lots of fabric pieces left over after stitching a garment. So I use those garments to produce different kinds of products like masks, belts, and sanitizer holder, etc. So even those products are available. You can check my page on Instagram and let me know if you want to buy those. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rucha. I promise you guys, just visit her page once. I'm a regular buyer of Rucha. And I genuinely love all of her products. They are really very, nice. So I just request everyone to visit her to look after all of her products. Thank you, Rucha. It was lovely having you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So next up we have a creative Mehndi artist named as Bhagyashree Shinde.
Hello. Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Hello, good evening. I am a Bhagyashree. I am a professional Mehndi artist and I am here to promote the same. I am doing this from last 3 years. I am good at different styles such as Arabic, portrait, traditional, Dubai style, but I am best at bridal Mehndi artist. Can you please play the video? And my orders cost as per the lane, pattern, Mehndi style, and we do also customize Mehndi as per client requirement. Baby shower Mehndi, and I can travel at your place to for Mehndi. And this is all about my growing business, Bhagyashree Mehndi Art. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I loved your designs.
Yeah, welcome.
Do we have any questions? Okay, thank you, ma'am. It was very lovely having you.
Yeah, welcome.
So next up we have with us Alisha Solanki. She has her own sari shop called as Rangoli Saris. It is a place where all types of saris are available at reasonable prices, and like it's not only the business but building relationships with the customer and the happiness when wearing the saris, which just makes a lady more beautiful and gives them the satisfaction. So I would request Retractor Alisha to please share some more details about her business.
Sure, Ashwini. Yeah, so hello everyone. I hope I'm audible enough. Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So good evening everyone. I would like to promote today my family business which my dad runs. So this is the business where we usually want you can say women's, girls, pretty ladies to look more beautiful. The best accessory which we carry is smile, and after wearing saris, usually everyone looks a lot more beautiful than what they are. So in this like the business, everything we give is the lot of varieties of saris we provide. Can you take the next screen? Different types of saris we provide. The varieties are shown to you. Catalog pieces are available. Wedding orders are also taken, and also according to your customized thought process or according to your functions, we do provide saris at very reasonable prices. And everyone usually has a lot of places to go and check for the collection. But what we provide or what we are different from other people is we have a good rapport with our customers. We don't treat them as customers, but we treat them as a family person, because we usually they are paying us, so we want to give them the most out of it and the best feeling of taking that sari and wearing it for the whole life. So in Marathi usually we phrase is told, kapat bharu shakta पण मन भरत नाही. So this is what we consider, that saris kitne bhi le lo, it's you always you crave to take different types of saris. So we give all types of saris, from silk, paithani, south Kanjivaram saris, cotton saris. We have all types of saris. Even we provide saris which you want, like which you have a catalog piece if you have, or even we provide catalog pieces or catalog pictures to you over WhatsApp. You can contact the number which will be given at the end of the slide. You can contact them or me. We'll be providing you all kind of saris and the catalog pieces so that you can decide for yourself. And what I believe is you can just visit shop and select a beautiful sari for you, because their human touch needed. I would request you to just go take the feel of that.
Alisha, you're not audible.
Yes. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are now.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, there might be some issue. So you can contact on this number, or also you can contact me on WhatsApp. This is the address of my shop, which is on Satara Road itself. So you can anytime come. We do give we do take wedding orders as well, or even if you have any sort of give and take like functions, for all type of functions we are available. Do come and visit and grace with your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Alisha.
Thank you.
Next up, we have our very own beauty member, Gnani Chandwar, who has this business Cybercore. He is working with businesses, entrepreneurs, and non-profit to help them create their brand by building kick-ass websites, web strategies, and web agencies. So, do we have Gnanish on call so he can brief about his business? Hi, Anish.
Okay. Yeah, so I would be presenting it for him due to some medical emergency. He had to leave.
Okay.
So as this was a real very last moment change, I am not much aware of what this business is, but I'll try to sum up as much as I'm aware about it. So basically, cybercore.in is something they help you promote your business on social media. He has given some facts and figures which I will read out to you. So far the COVID situation and the lockdown started, almost 6 to 24 million internet users in India has been increased from January 2021. So why just go offline to promote your business and not online is what all about cybercore.in is. And they help you promote your business, create your website and launch and help you to get reachability all over. So there are a few details they have shared in this few flyers which they have shared with us. Looking to create online presence and increase awareness, let's build awesome website. So yes, they help you create your own website. You can customize it the way you want and not just go with the templates available online. You can log on to their own website and you can discuss more about how you can promote your business online and how they can help you to reach more audience to get your business covered. This is all about cybercore.in. If you have any questions, please shoot it to us in the chat box and we'll make sure we take them to Nyanish, who's the owner of the business, and he'll certainly get back to you. More details about the same would be shared on the social media post as promised.
This is really helpful for everyone here, right? Everyone has this small business and you can expand it by taking it online. So you can note out his name and number and discuss if possible, if it is possible to create your own website of your business. Thank you, Siddhi, on presenting behalf of Nyanish. We have a next business, which is Pathak Foods, which is owned by Shrikant Shinde. It is a premium quality banana wafers. They are food manufacturers of these wafers. We have Shubham Shinde with us, will present.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Shubham, you're audible.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Shubham Shinde. I'm representing Pathak Foods on behalf of Shrikant Shinde. We manufacture premium quality banana wafers. We started our business in the last month, that is April 2021. And so far we have reached 100 plus happy customers and selling across 90 plus stores till now in Pune itself. Our product is available in 4 different flavors and gets delivered to your doorsteps. I can tell you the flavors as well. Those are red chili, simple salted, the chaat flavor and the black pepper one. Our product is very reliable. You can always eat it. Like it's just a snack. You can have it anytime, anywhere. For orders, you can reach out to us on the details mentioned on the flyer, and we are just a Google search away. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Shubham.
I would like to add something. Thank you, Roadtrack, for giving me an opportunity to present my business promote my business over here. So thank you, Siddhi, and thank you, Ashwini, as well for this opportunity.
Thank you, Shubham. We are looking forward to order the chips from you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
So the last but not the least, this is the last business which we'll be presenting. It is Resonant Group of Companies, which is owned by Roadtracker Akash Jumari. They are into renewable and automation. Since their incorporation in 2019, the Resonant Group work in the 3 different verticals, that is solar installations, industrial automation and training cell. They have provided solutions to various industries and have done MOUs with 2 esteemed colleges in their area. We have Akash Jumari with us. He can guide us and brief us more about Resonant Group of Companies. Hi, Akash.
Hello. Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So before going ahead, I will like to ask everyone, what is your monthly average electricity bill? You guys can type in the chat. Just roughly. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So since I've got two responses about 1,000 and 3,000 plus. So basically, our firm works in three verticals, which is solar, industrial automation, and industrial training. And when it comes to first, I'll start with resonant automation. Like before my presentation, there was Patak Foods. So we can provide solutions to the firms like them who are into item-based packaging, and they require industrial automation services, whether the product is properly packed or not, whether the barcode is properly printed on the package or not. So we can provide services in those categories. Next slide, please. Can we go next? Yeah. Okay. So when it comes to solar, we are into basically we are into three categories. That is on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid. We also provide isolated solutions like solar water heaters, solar street lights, and any customized solution according to the need of the customer. So basically, currently we are promoting on-grid on a huge scale, which is like okay. Wherein on-grid you don't need to do investment at a large scale. You don't need any huge batteries in your house to store the energy from the solar panels, and you can be in contact with your MSBT. So it works two ways. That for suppose like in the daytime you might be getting around 100 units or 120 units from the sun, and during the night time the extra units that you send to the like whatever electricity board you might be having in your area, because when it comes to Mumbai, there is Tata who provide electricity, but in most of the state of the Maharashtra there is MECP. When it comes to resonant training cell, we do seminars, guest lectures, we provide guidance in the research papers. We also provide we invest in the projects, final year projects of the students depending on the merit of the project. Next. Actually, the video was I was supposed to show the video, but the video doesn't work. So just we can go next. Okay, so before installing, we also provide, like being a civil engineer myself, we provide CAD designs, like how the project will look on the roof of a particular client. Next. So these are just photo. You can keep going next of the projects that we have done. We have done projects usually in Alibag and Mumbai region. So these are some of the guest seminars that we had provided in colleges. These are the workshops that we did. We did a tie-up with the Vikas Institute, which is also again owned by me. So this is the MOU that we have done with certain polytechnic colleges. These are the we have provided guidance to certain students for the final year projects. So these are the verticals. Here are the addresses of our offices. You can connect with us on the Facebook or the Gmail IDs given over here. Thank you.
This is really very innovative. Whatever you own, I guess you have two entries. I mean, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any questions for Akash? You can shoot it in the chat box. Okay, thank you. You can reach out to him on his given details, contact details, and mail IDs. Thank you, Akash, for joining with us. So here we come to an end with all the businesses, and I would really like to appreciate all of you to for joining with us and sharing all of your work. I mean, everybody is doing a really great job. I mean, I have never worked on a business, so I'm sure you guys must be working so hard to build up your business, and this is really great from your end. So moving forward, we have with us our district road track representative, Shraddha Lamkhede. I would like Shraddha to say a few words for us.
Okay, good evening, everyone. I hope I am visible. I'm not sure.
Um,
Am I visible?
I cannot see you. Yes, you are visible.
Yes, you're visible.
Okay, great. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, Rotractor Siddhi, for inviting me for this wonderful event that Rotractor Pune Shaniwar Ward had been doing since a pretty long time now. And it is, to be very frank, in all over district, I think it is one of the most awaited events wherein Rotractors have been participating in a huge number. And so I was not able to join in earlier due to some office work, but I believe we had a huge list of participants and new budding entrepreneurs, coming up and utilizing the stage throughout. So I can see many Rotractors, Akash, then Madhu and everyone present over here. I hope this event has been like one of a very good platform for you all to resonate whatever your businesses you have been doing. So again, kudos to the teamwork that Rotrack Club of Pune Shaniwar Ward had been doing, and I believe even in this pandemic, be it anything, the event has done exceptionally well. So kudos to the team and all the best for tomorrow as well. And thank you so much once again for inviting me over here.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. It was really nice of you to be with us here. Moving forward, I would like to invite our President, Rotractor Siddhi, to give away the closing remarks.
I am still able to hear Shraddha's words only because I am facing a real issue of getting the echo of the live stream that is going on and also the event which is running here on Zoom. So please pardon me if that was happening throughout the event and I was getting delayed to play your slide to the next page. My real apologies for this technical issue I was being facing. Firstly, I would really like to appreciate each and every participant who has showcased their business. It's so good to see some advertising of business because nowadays on television there is nothing apart from the old episodes of telecast. There's nothing going on that we can relate to or get related to the real life situation which we were used to live before this pandemic. So I'm really glad to see some new businesses, the startups which have been started through pandemic lockdown, and I'm really happy that we were able to help you give this opportunity to showcase and reach out to the crowd through Manthan. Thank you so much for registering with us. Secondly, I would like to thank all the audience who has connected with us on the Zoom meeting in and out and also on our live Facebook stream which was been going on for the past an hour since the video was live. Thirdly, I would like to thank the district council who has attended in huge number. Really thank you and your presence was really appreciated. Thank you DRR Shraddha, Deputy DRR Drishti, District General Secretary and the DRR nominee Akash, and also the past DRRs who had joined Rotractor Akshay, Rotractor Twijesh for supporting throughout the event, and all the club members of Rotrack Club of Pune Shaniwar Ward and the board. Thank you so much for supporting and bearing with the work and everything that I throwed up on you for this event. Thank you Ashwini for hosting the event so well despite that she took her vaccine yesterday and she's absolutely ill today. So really thank you for that as well. And yeah, that's call because I'll keep speaking and I'm still able to hear my own voice. So I'm not sure if I was audible to you, but I would really like to appreciate you all for your presence and a huge thank you to all. Ashwini, are you connected?
I am sorry, Siddhi, I got left because of the network issue. I have just rejoined. Can I
No
know
worries.
what
You can take over. I'm done. You can take over.
Okay, thank you. So moving forward with the secretarial announcement, we have the same our event Manthan, which will go on for next 7 days. On day one, which is today, we had a Zoom meeting which was broadcasted live on Facebook. Tomorrow on day two, all of the your flyers would be posted on Facebook. On day three, they would be posted on Instagram. Day four, they would be posted on LinkedIn. Day five, they would be posted on Twitter. Day 6 on the video of this meeting would be posted on YouTube handle. Day 7 would be advertised, or your business would be advertised through our club website. And on day 8 and lastly, we would be circulating a directory or a magazine kind of thing which will include all of your businesses, and this would be shared with everyone by second week of June. So that's it from my end with the secretarial announcement. So moving forward with any other announcements, like anyone has to announce anything, the forum is open for all.
Okay, there is one district announcement I would like to do on behalf of Leaders Akash. So on the 30th May, the three pillars of RID 3131, basically Rotary, Rotract and Rotex, have come together, and May month being the youth month, the district has organized one event which will be an hour or so on 30th May starting from 6 p.m. So basically this event concentrates on how Rotary, Rotract and Rotex have evolved, and along with that the three pandemic necessities, I would say, the financial, psychological and physical immunity. So we will be having sessions of each 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so from eminent speakers. So I would urge you all to kindly participate in that. The registration cost, of course, there is no registration cost. You just need to register on the link which is shared with your president. And yes, hoping to see you all in maximum numbers on 30th. Thank you. Over to you, Ashwini.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Are there any other announcement with anyone? Okay, thank you. So moving forward, I would request Rotractor Madhu to give away the vote of thanks.
Hello everyone, and a very warm good evening. I hope all of you are doing safe and are healthy. Myself, Rotractor Madhu Kamprikar, and I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone and grace us with their presence for such a wonderful event. It was great having you on board. I am pretty sure that this session has impacted a majority of crowd by far and large, and will continue for the coming 7 days. Finally, I would like to thank all the attendees for participating in huge numbers and marking their presence. We appreciate your commitment towards the event. Having such patient and dedicated audience is indeed a blessing in disguise. My special thanks to DRR Shraddha Namkade, Deputy DRR Rotractor Drishti Singh, DRR and Akash Chitte, and all the other council members who joined in to support and motivate us. I would lastly like to thank Zoom for providing us with this platform. Hoping to see you in another event in time to come. Until then, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.
Thank you, Madhu. Just one question, did you breathe in between or was this breathless? So moving forward, I would request Rotractor Siddhi to adjourn the meeting, and post that I would request everyone to switch on the camera once so we can just click a picture of everyone.
you're on mute.
Okay, I was on mute, so I'll do it once again. The meeting is adjourned with no further business.
Can we switch on the camera for the picture?
Komal, are you connected?
Did you take the picture? का सगळे बघत बसले?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for joining. See you in the coming week. I hope you see all of our posts and share it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and all the best to you.